to show you how to create a very simple landing page, just something really short and sweet. So let's get right to it. So as you see, I'm in the site maker. I'm simply going to go and I want to create a mobile and desktop site. So I click on that one there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm not going to use the site wizard. So I'm actually going to do this, mobile and desktop sites. I'm going to want to create a new site. And you'll see here, if you want to jump directly to the site editor without choosing a ready-made site, click here. So we're going to click there. Not going to use the wizard. And just for demo purposes, I'll put it here. Obviously name it whatever you want to name it. And you'll see how very simple this is to actually do. So I just need to name it first off. You don't have to worry about the SSL or anything like that right now. Okay, so now we'll see we have a completely blank canvas. So I just go to Pages, I go to Home, and you'll see over here in our Site Maker tool that you obviously have a blank page. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a widget, which basically all I need to do for this widget is just add a header. So I would add a header, customize the header to whatever you like, and I'll show you that here. I always like to use the auto depending and full screen. On this one is what we're going to choose because we wanted to take out the full screen. Now we're going to go to, let's just choose an image to make it really simple. So go to our global media library. Of course I have to save first. Saving. Alright, now as I come back on, let's simply go to Global Media Library. Again, this is just for demonstration purposes. And we'll pick this one. Okay. Let's just see, very, very, very simple. Not much that I really need to do here. Full screen. And we'll even do this one. We'll go full screen just to show you, but I prefer auto, but I just want to show you. All right. As you can see, it's now taken up basically the entire page. Put any of the title you want in here. Nothing has changed. Just upload whatever you want. If we wanted to put a video in the background, but again, we're just showing a basic, simple how to do a really, really easy landing page with just a few pieces of information. All right, so what we have to do now is we're going to have to add in our autoresponder. So we click the widget there. Now you have a couple different options. Form contact, form free. I usually use the form free so I can create my own. Contact me for more info. You can change the font, the color, whatever you need to right in here. Autoresponder, you can set that all up. Form and field options, and we're just going to add a couple here. We're going to add name, mandatory, yes or no. That's a text field. And click and save it. And I will enter another one. I usually just like to use name and email. Add a field. And what I do for the email is I set that up as mandatory email field, and we just click over here to mandatory. Yes. Click to save this. Now here's another nice little trick that I'd like to do. This way I can control what is seen up in here. Obviously you can put in your own header image up in there. So I go to Site Options. So again, I'm in Site Options, and I'm going to go to the Site Header. And then when I'm in the site header, I'm going to be actually able to control what is seen. So this is where you can put your header image up in here, drag and drop it, and it'll go right up there on the home page. Same with the favicon. Now I want to manually manage the header. That way you don't see anything. And as you'll see, I'm not going to click anything right in here. I'm going to save and update. And again, this is just a very, very basic landing page. Okay, so go view the site. Multiple views as we're used to. Go to click here to view this in full. And as you'll see, I got a very, obviously I didn't put any content, any information on there, but a very, very simple landing page that you can create in a matter of minutes. Make a video background, anything that you kind of want. Let your imagination be the key. So this is super, super simple and easy to do.